Hello, we're going to be talking about the Pythagorean theorem over the next couple of days and even months. And what I'd like to do with you over the next few minutes is discuss one of the hundreds of different proofs there are for the Pythagorean theorem. So in front of you, what I have is a line segment that I called A, and then I drew in or constructed line segment, which we are going to call B, so that it is perpendicular to segment A. Now, we did this because we wanted to create a right angle, so I'm guaranteed that this is a right angle. And then from there, I use these 2 points to create side C. And so I can move this around and it changes the values, so it's here to measure what's actually happening to this. Okay, so I can make A really big and make B really small, or I can make B really big, A really small, however I want to do it. Okay, and so this affirms a couple of things over here. You can see I have the measurements of A, B, and C on the far left. A right now is 1.32, B is 3.52, and C is 3.76. C, as the hypotenuse of this figure, the side length across from the right angle, is always guaranteed to be the largest or the longest side in the right triangle. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you, I took side A and turned it into a square. So I created 4 right angles, and all 4 side lengths are also a length of A units. Same with B. This blue square has side lengths B units, and this red square has side lengths C units. And this over here discusses the area of polygon A. Here's the area of polygon B. 14.14 is the area of polygon C. So these numbers over here match their corresponding side lengths, and they're essentially, if I were to take 1.32 times 1.32, I'm going to get 1.74. 3.52 times 3.52 is 12.4. 3.76 times itself is 14.14, and so on. Now, if I were to do this, what it's going to give me is a relationship between these polygons. So if polygon A is 1.74, and polygon B is 12.4, then the sum of polygon A and B is 14.4, which matches 14.14, which matches what polygon C is. And so what we did to find the length of polygon A was essentially take A times itself, or A squared. Anyway, that's A squared. Okay, and then side length B was multiplied by itself to get B squared. And then C was multiplied by itself to get C squared. And what we'll find is, no matter how I move this around, that the polygon A area, the green space, plus the blue space will always equal the red space. And that's because A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with the Pythagorean theorem prior to this lesson, but like I said, we're going to be doing several proofs of this to affirm it, and then we're going to put it into action as well. We are done.